Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play The Witcher 3, Wild Hunt. To begin your epic journey, you step into the boots of Geralt of Rivia, a seasoned monster slayer. Your primary goal is to find Ciri, a key figure with extraordinary powers. Along the way, you'll undertake numerous monster contracts and side quests, earning valuable experience and coin. This allows you to explore a massive, beautiful open world, uncovering its many mysteries and challenges. Combat in The Witcher 3 is dynamic, blending swordplay with magical signs. You'll wield two swords, a steel blade for human foes and a silver one for the many monsters you encounter. There are 5 powerful Witcher signs, like Igni for fire or Quen for protective shield, to aid you. As you level up, you gain skill points to customize Geralt, focusing on combat prowess, magical abilities, or potent alchemy. The world of The Witcher 3 is immense and breathtaking, spanning regions like the war-torn Velen, the bustling city of Novigrad, and the icy Skellige Isles. Exploration is key. You'll find hidden treasures, clear out monster nests, and dismantle bandit camps. Notice boards offer lucrative monster contracts, providing thrilling hunts. Every quest, from the main story to side activities, is woven into a narrative where your decisions truly matter. Alchemy is vital for survival. Brew potions for buffs, oils to enhance your swords, and bombs for crowd control. You can also craft powerful new gear and weapons by finding schematics and gathering materials. Throughout your journey, you'll face many morally ambiguous decisions, each shaping the world and Geralt's fate. Remember, preparation is paramount for any Witcher. Always be ready for what lies ahead.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.